today I'm working on the engine bay of this beautiful Volkswagen Golf MK2. I've actually already done a full exterior detail, a very extensive exterior detail on this car. Turned out amazing, but you guys are gonna have to wait one more week to see this full video of the exterior detail. And it's not until I put the hood down that you get to see how good this car actually looks. And by the way, this was one of the cars that was sent in to me a couple of videos ago. I asked you guys if you had any interesting projects for me to work on. So this was sent in. I've selected this one. This was a great example of what I'm actually looking for. So once again, if you guys have any projects like this, or you know somebody who has, you know, an interesting project like this, let me know. Send an email to this email address that's now on the screen, and I'll try to get back to as many people as possible. But just so you guys know, this is really the type of stuff I'm looking for. So if you know somebody, or if you have a car like this, shoot me an email. All right, so I'm not going to be pressure washing this engine bay. It's not the smartest idea on you know, an old car like this. I guess you probably could if you're, you know, a little bit careful, but I'm going to be using my steam cleaner and Chemie Green Star to make this thing look pretty again. So you can use Green Star in, this is an IK Multi Pro 2. You can just use it in a regular spray bottle, or you can use it in a IK Foam Pro 2. Also, these flexible measure cups here, these will be available soon in our store as well. I really like these. You can just drop them, won't break. Let's get started. So I think it's better to start on this hood here. There's a lot of this black stuff. I don't know what the stuff is called, but I'm gonna try my best to get it off. I'm sweating like crazy. I also used some Ulex to get the black stuff off because it wouldn't really come off that easily. So I'm just gonna use this. This is not really specifically meant for this, but this is Liquid Elements Active Glass Foam. I just want to neutralize, just in case I have some Ulex residue on here. Just want to give it a wipe. It's not 100% perfect, but it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna wipe this down, and then I'll continue with the rest of the engine bay. So this is probably going to be a shorter video than usual. I just want to hand polish this little bit right here. So like I said, this is probably going to be a shorter video. You know, the best part is going to come next week, the exterior detail. I've already been editing that video, and I'm telling you, it's really good. You got to watch that one. All right, that's pretty much going to be it. You know, it's not 100%. There's a lot of this, like this black stuff. Once again, I don't know what it is, but there's a lot of the black stuff on the bottom parts here. So I'm never going to be able to get this off. You know, just with the steam cleaner. So to finish it off, this is Koch Chemie Motorplast. I'm gonna dress the plastic and rubber parts. And so this is really going to finish this engine bay off. So I have a little bit of cleaning up to do here. This is, you know, not the order you would normally do this. So normally you would clean the engine bay first and then detail the rest of the exterior. I've already done the exterior, so I got a little bit of overspray on these panels right here, also a little bit here. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll show you the end result. And so this is the finished result. Like I said, not 100% perfect. I didn't want to mess too much with the, I don't know what the black stuff is called, but I didn't want to mess too much with it. So I just cleaned it up, cleaned up the underside of the hood, and it's looking a lot better. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you next week for the exterior detail video. You guys are gonna love it.